500 crore company is replacing our plastic tableware with this. And you'll never guess what it's made of.
Hi, I'm Satish. I'm the business effort Chuck at Packer.
When we order food or eat out, we create waste that stays on this planet for up to 500 years.
That's why we came up with this packaging that's made from sugarcane residue.
Hi, we are Jenny. We tell sustainable stories. India is the largest producer of sugar in the world, and we produce tons and tons of sugarcane waste.
The residue that is left after the sugarcane is crushed in the mills is called bagasse.
The bagasse gets washed in steam so the fibers can open up.
It goes through a pulping process, after which it gets molded into different shapes.
Chuck is used by brands like Taco Bell, Haldiram's and Chai Point, and also at the Ram Mandir.
Our manufacturing process results in lot less carbon emissions compared to your plastics, styrofoam or PE-line paper tableware.
And just like any other container, you can microwave it and freeze it.
We spent years in R&D so that we come up with a product that would suit Indian cuisine. That means no oil seepage and no spilling.
Tag your favorite restaurant and ask them to switch to eco-friendly tableware. Share this video with someone who loves food. Follow Jenny and be a part of
Generation Earth.